So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on the important update related to the two company, that is Genser and the Accenture. So first of all I will talk about the Genser. So those who applied through our link, and I already provided update related to Genser hiring, so they are getting the revert. Okay, so that's the reason I am telling, keep applying for off campus drive. No one know from where you will get revert, and many of the students, almost every students are getting the revert. So if you haven't applied, then must check your mail ID whether you got or not. So kindly join the link sharp by 6:30, and they are getting the assessment, okay, PM on 9th April 2026. So many of the candidates are getting for 9th April, 10th April and 11th April. So must comment here whether you got or not. Now talking a little bit more about that, so please go through the below guidelines to attempt the test. Screen sharing is not required. Test needed to be given only from desktop and laptop, not from mobile and iPad, and you would have been received test link from ELTech, and test guideline include 4 sections: reading, writing, listening and speaking. So currently reading, writing, listening और speaking का ही होगा, and further if you will qualify then you might get the link for the coding. Okay, the test must be taken using the latest version of Google Chrome. No other browsers are supported. Okay, so those who apply, I will suggest check your mail. And talking about the coding question, so students have also given the test yesterday and they have shared the experience to me, and they are saying that coding question is not that much hard. Okay, but yeah, you should be in practice. So if you are prepared for the NQT exam, then this is just a piece of cake. You will be able to solve easily. Okay, so yeah, but main thing that you should do the time management properly. So students are getting revert. And talking a little bit more about the things that you should ensure that don't stitch the tab, and don't basically give or don't do any plagiarism, otherwise you will be directly disqualified. Ensure you should have stable and speed internet connection before starting the test. Verify that your speakers and headphones are functioning properly, because if your speakers and other are muted, then you will not able to attempt the speaking course and speaking assessment, and then you will be directly disqualified. So I will suggest use the wired headphone, that will be better for this test. Okay, now let me come to the next important update, that is related to Accenture hiring. So I have already provided lots of update related to Accenture. Now we have provided the update related to primer things, primer training and all those. So let me give you the details about that role. So students are getting the mail related to Accenture Learn Vantage portal, means those who have successfully qualified the test, now they are getting the basically Accenture Learn. So this is the one of the key important and critical part, because if you will do any type of plagiarism in their test and then you will be directly disqualified. So you have to basically clear all the caches, and you have to basically sign up on the Accenture Learn Vantage platform. There basically you will get the courses assigned, and you have to just basically give all those stuff. Okay, so make sure that you have stable internet connection. Same things that you should attempt with the latest Chrome, and you have to basically just do the courses. So if you want to join earlier, then I will suggest try to complete the course as soon as possible, and must comment here whether you got the Accenture Learn things or not. Many of the students are still waiting for the phase 3 update. I don't know why the Accenture is taking so much time, because students got the congratulation mail for moving the next step in December, but still it's around 4 months and students are not getting. So this is the bad thing from Accenture, that they are not giving the things. Okay, related to primary learning orientation connect, I have already made a detailed video that welcome to the orientation session, and this basically will give all the details there. Okay, now friends, one thing that I want to point out here, especially to all the candidates who have got the Accenture offer letter. First of all, many congratulations to all of you, and best of luck for your future journey. So now you should be focused on training, and आपको जब तक permanent ना हो जाए भाई, you should do hard work. Okay, so this all thing I want to tell, and just don't do any plagiarism or checking, क्योंकि इतना मुश्किल से भाई आपको ऑफर लेटर आया, and if you will disqualify then you will feel bad. So that's all thing I want to tell. So best of luck for future journey. If you have any query, we can connect on LinkedIn, Instagram और Facebook. You can ask any query. So मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.